Pinhole Camera, Part 2. We have all seen a camera. Can you devise a camera at home? It may sound strange, but it is possible. Let us see how we can make a camera at home. Take two rectangular boxes. One of the boxes has an open end, and the other box, which is slightly smaller in size, can slide into the bigger box without any gap in between them. Now take the smaller box and cut open one side of it. Its inside is made black. From the other side, cut out from the middle a square of sides of about 5 centimeters. Cover this hole with tracing paper. Now take the bigger box whose one side is open. Even this box is black from the inside. Make a small hole in the center of its opposite face. Now slide the smaller box into the bigger one. Your camera is ready for use. It is called a pinhole camera. Try to look at some distant object like a tree. You can look through the open end of your camera. Adjust the smaller box forward or backward to get the picture on the tracing paper. You can see an inverted picture of the tree.